geometric transformations, you need dark blue, black, light blue, green, pink, and orange. All right, let's go over some vocabulary that we need to know. You need black pen, a transformation is the operation that transforms one figure into another figure. Transformation. All right, and we're going to learn about 4 different transformations. We're going to do a translation, a reflection, a rotation, and a dilation. So in order to, when we're graphing rotations and reflections and translations, we need to have some way of marking which is our first image and which is our second image before the transformation and after. So we call the first one, and we're in light blue, a pre-image. A pre-image. A pre-image is the original figure in the transformation of a figure on a plane. So this is the one we start with. So it's before we do anything with it, it's our pre-image. And then in green, and then we have an image. And that's our new one that results from the transformation. So pre-image is before the transformation, image is after the transformation. And when we're labeling that on a coordinate plane, labeling transformations, label a point on an image by using the same letter as the corresponding point in the original figure, followed by a black prime symbol. And it's like an asterisk. We're going to put that in green because we use it on our image. Green. So light blue, if our image coordinate was labeled A, then after the translation or transformation, it would be A prime. So this would be my pre-image. And then green, this would be the image. All right. And now we also have an isometry. An isometry, I-S-O-M, sorry, I'm in black. Isometry is also known as a rigid transformation. It's a transformation that produces congruent images of exactly the same shape and same size. And congruent, remember, means it is the same shape, same size. So if it's a rigid transformation, it's also known as an isometry, and it produces a congruent shape. So we're not changing the shape or the size of that one. Now most of our transformations, when we're showing from one step to another, we're going to do that on the coordinate plane. So let's review the parts of the coordinate plane. Orange is our origin in the center. That's our origin. And that's just the ordered pair 0, 0. Now where does the ordered pair come from? We have our dark blue, and we have our x-axis. That's not right. That should be green. Sorry. Green is our x-axis. And when x is positive or increasing, then we go to the right. So it goes this way. All right. If x is negative or decreasing, then it's going to go left. All right. We have our y-axis. And as our y increases or goes up, and then as our y decreases or is negative, it's down. And that'll make more sense when we get to the translations. All right, for the quadrants, a lot of times they'll ask you what quadrant that the transformation, the figure would end in. You need to put, this is our first quadrant, this is our second, third, and fourth. Well, sorry, fourth. Okay, and the other thing you need to know is if we're going clockwise, think about a clock. The numbers will be 12, 3, 6. The clock goes this way. This is called clockwise. I'm in pink right now. And if we were going this way, it would be counterclockwise.